See, I basically believe that drugs are today available. You don't require sunburn to come and make drugs available. They're all shouting about sunburn and drugs. You tell me there is a festival that is organized for 3 days in Sofa. And I'm sure you'll have, some of you will have gone to the festival. You want to tell me that drugs? Drugs, I believe. It is our responsibility to identify what's selling. Our responsibility to intimate to the police that it is available. Let us be proactive. Let us support them. Let us help them. Let us move forward and ensure that there are no drugs available. One side, we talk of drugs. Now you tell me in your own village, drugs are not available?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What am I doing? Nothing. I feel the time has come when all of us, you and me, should walk hand in hand and let us aggressively attack this menace. We are today summarizing. Everybody is saying drugs, 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 drugs. I also want to know amongst the people who are saying sunburn is drugs, sunburn. How many of them do not ask for passes? I was environment minister between 2007 and 2012. I know how many of the 10 MLAs have asked me for passes. Some of them are still there today. So we have to take it upon ourselves. And that is why I appeal to the students. You see, they are the future. Their parents, look at them as their future. The parents today are willing to undertake any sacrifice for the betterment of his child. So if we can encourage them to stay away from it, let us support them. Let us give them whatever support they require. And let us cooperate with these agencies. And let us try and try. I use the word try. It's not easy. It's not an easy challenge that I'm talking about. But let us do our small little part and try and see that in our locality at least there is nothing.
So legislators
No, legislators asking for passes, even you have never approached me for a pass. But I know so many people keep coming, pass it. And I myself will then phone, maybe madam, maybe him, maybe some passes, no please. It happens. We may say passes for sunburn. We also beg for passes for your football. All part of the game.
There is a allegation from the Upलब Panchayat that last year they are not paid.
No. See, I am saying, I don't know whether they paid or didn't pay. Why? But I get the impression that there was a High Court order which directed them to pay before sunburn was held. I get the impression that they paid some 3 crores something was the rent that was demanded by the Gomantak. I have the impression that they paid.
No, I am not saying the Panchayat tax is supposed to be paid.
So what I would,
The mentality of the organizer.
No, mentality will be many. See, I am a businessman. I would like to save as much as I can. Don't give them permission. Don't allow them to start. Go and stop it till your dues are paid. See, I have also read there was a Gram Sabha in local. Nobody has approached me till this day. Incidentally, I have been a minister. I have been an MLA from 1994. There was a break in UP. Till date, I have met nobody of sunburn. Till date. 1 second, let me see. Again, according to me, whatever is coming about sunburn locally is coming on the media as far as I am concerned. There was a special Gram Sabha. The pity is that there was no application from sunburn. It's just an apprehension and anxiety of the villages of local to say that sunburn is coming there. But there is no application from anybody.